As a 50-year-old aspiring app developer, I've always been fueled by a passion for technology and innovation. The idea of creating my own iOS app has been a dream of mine for as long as I can remember. However, I've often found myself lacking the necessary skills and knowledge to turn these ideas into reality. But now, I'm determined to change that. My name is Alex, and I'm on a mission to learn and master iOS development using SwiftUI. My main goal is crystal clear. I want to create my own iOS app from scratch using SwiftUI. Whether it's solving real-world problems, enhancing user experiences, or simply bringing joy and convenience to people's lives, I'm driven by the desire to see my ideas come to life and make a positive impact in the app development industry. As a beginner in iOS development, I'm well aware of the challenges that lie ahead. Understanding complex programming concepts, mastering the SwiftUI framework, and navigating the app development process are just a few of the hurdles I face. Finding comprehensive resources and guidance to support my learning journey has also been a struggle. I thrive on structured and comprehensive learning approaches that cover both theoretical concepts and practical application. That's why I value courses like the SwiftUI Mastery course, which offer hands-on tutorials, real-world examples, and interactive learning experiences. I'm particularly drawn to courses that teach SwiftUI in a clear and understandable manner, catering to beginners like myself. I recognize the importance of staying updated with the latest trends and technologies in iOS development. By enrolling in the SwiftUI Mastery course, I aim to gain the knowledge and skills necessary to bring my app ideas to fruition and establish myself as a successful app developer in the industry. This course is not just about learning, it's about transforming my dreams into reality. For those interested in enhancing their language skills for travel, the iOS course I use, called SwiftUI Mastery Lingo Language Translator, is available on https://iosinsights.co.uk/courses. This comprehensive course not only equips travelers with essential language skills but also provides access to the underlying technology, allowing for a deeper understanding of language translation mechanisms.
Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.